Good morning, boys and girls, teachers and staff, and welcome to the end of the week at Perry Elementary today. Today is Friday, March 4th of 2022, and the lunch choices for today would be our first hot lunch choice is baked masticholi, and our second hot lunch choice is a cheeseburger, followed by our cold lunch choice, which is a deli club sandwich. And today, report cards are going to be sent home, so make sure, boys and girls, that your parents see your report card. Do not open it up until you actually get home, please, so that your parents can see it firsthand. And then return those report card envelopes. Then, the first class to return all of their report card envelopes will have the privilege of having a popcorn party. So, I will provide the popcorn for that class. So, the first class that gets it turned in gets a popcorn party. And if we get like three of them all in one day, then remember, like I said before, then three classes will get a popcorn party. And then today is our last day for Read Across America. So, what we will have for our last day is I hope you wore your superhero gear. So, reading gives us superpowers. So, today is our last day of doing this. And thank you very much for our reading and math interventionist for kind of organizing the events. And thank you, Mrs. Haight, for providing the flyer to be able to send home for students. Just to let you know before we take our moments of silence, for next week's lunch choices are going to be a little bit different than what's on the menu. So I know the teachers got a reminder about those different changes. So what I will have on here is going to be a little bit different next week. So just to make you aware of it. So if you're using your lunch chart that you had taken home, that you might want to just listen to your teacher to what those lunch choices are, because they're going to be a little bit different next week. All right, at this time, let's please take a moment of silence. Thank you. And if you could please stand and put your right hand over your heart, we have Miss Wright's third grade class doing our Pledge of Allegiance.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
All right, thank you guys very much. I appreciate that. I hope all of you have a wonderful end of the week and have a fantastic Friday.